Alimak, refurb, retrofit, or replace. Over the last 50 years, nearly 3,000 Scando Mini and Alicom industrial elevators have been installed worldwide, and many are still in operation today. When performance, safety, or availability is a challenge, there are three smart options. Option 1, refurb. Refurb means restoring your existing elevator. The lift is removed, refurbished in a workshop, and reinstalled on site. No structural changes. Minimal intervention. Refurb extends the life of your current elevator quickly and efficiently. Option 2, retrofit. Retrofit replaces the old elevator cabin, drives, controls, safety components, and landing doors with a new Alimak elevator car unit, while keeping the existing mast column, structural elements, and cable handling system. The result? Modern performance, current regulatory standards, drive, control, safety, and operational upgrades. Minimal downtime. Retrofit delivers a future-ready elevator with full access to standard Alimak spare parts. Option 3, replace. Replace is a complete system upgrade. The old elevator, mast column, structural elements, and landing doors are removed, and a complete new Alimak elevator system is installed. This option ensures maximum lifetime, full compliance with current codes, and all modern safety features. It's the long-term solution for demanding applications. Three options, three ways to improve safety, performance, and availability, each designed to keep your operation moving. Alimak, refurb, retrofit, or replace. Choose the solution that fits your operation. Contact Alimak to learn more.